12, 24, and 48 are all common multiples of 3 and 4. 12 is the lowest. Hello guys, this is Uncle DJ from Mathematical Series for Junior and Senior Secondary. Today, we are going to be learning how to find the lowest common multiple of a couple of numbers. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Remember in the last class, I gave you some couple of home tasks on how to find the HCF. These are the answers to that home task. The final answer to the very first question is common factors of 24, 14, and 38 are 1 and 2. The final answer to the second question is 3 times 5. The final answer to the third question is 2. The final answer to the fourth question is 2 times 3 times 5. Now let's get back to the topic of today, how to find the lowest common multiple or LCM. We know that 6 is a factor of 24, 18, and 48 because 24 divided by 6 will not give us a remainder. 18 divided by 6 will not give us a remainder. 48 will not divided by 6 will not give us a remainder. That means 6 is a factor of 48. So as 6 is a factor of 24, it means 24 is a multiple of 6. So what that means is 24, 18, and 48 are all multiples of 6. We know that 4 is a factor of 16, 20, and 48. That means 16, 20, and 48 are all multiples of 4. So 4 is a factor of 6. 4 is their factor, while they are the multiples of 4. Now that is multiple. Now common multiples. We already know that 16 is a multiple of 2, right? And also a multiple of 4. That means 16 is a common multiple of 2 and 4 because 16 is a multiple of both of them. So it's a common multiple to 2 and 4. So that's what we mean by common multiple. Also, now let me explain lowest common multiple. 12, 24, and 48 are all common multiples of 3 and 4. 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. 24 is a multiple of 3 and 4. 48 is a multiple of 3 and 4. But out of all these multiples, out of all these common multiples, which one is the lowest? 12 is the lowest. Therefore, 12 is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. So now let us do some couple of exercises to make it easy to understand. Find the multiples of the following. To find the multiples of 5, all you have to do is multiply 5 by some couple of numbers and you get the multiples of 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. All these numbers here are multiples of 5. That means 10, 15, 20, and 25 are all multiples of 5. Let's do the second example. 2. Find the multiples of 2. To do that, all you have to do is just multiply 2 by a couple of numbers. Always use very small numbers for easy multiplication. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. That means 2, 4. That means 4, 6, 8, and 10 are all multiples of what? Of 2. Now that we've done some couple of questions on this, now try to do this as your own task. Find the multiples of 7 and write your answers in the comment section. Now let's go to the second question. Find 3 common multiples of the following: 5 and 7. To find the common multiples of 5 and 7, what do we do? First of all, we multiply 5 and 7 together. 5 times 7 is equals to what? 35, right? After getting your answer, you now multiply this answer by a couple of small numbers to get the multiple. becomes 35 times 2, 70. 35 times 3, 105. That means 35, 70, and 105 are all common multiples of 5 and 7. Very easy. Now let's do the second example. Find 3 common multiples of 2 and 5. The very first step is multiply the two numbers. 2 times 5, multiply them, it gives us what? 10. This is the first multiple of the two of them. First common multiple is 10. Then what do you do next? You multiply this 10 by a couple of small numbers. 10 times 2, 20. 10 times 3, 30. That means 10, 20, and 30 are all common multiples of what? Of 2 and 5. Now that we've done some couple of examples on common multiples, try to solve this and write your answers in the comment section.